Comments on YouTube are a great way for viewers to share their thoughts about the videos they're watching. Unfortunately, many people don't know how to turn on comments on YouTube. So, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to turn on comments on YouTube, both on the desktop and on an Android device. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I will show you how to do this on your desktop. So you need to go to youtube.com and log into your account. And then when you are on your channel page, click on your channel icon at the top right of the screen. And then click on YouTube Studio. And when you are on YouTube Studio, you want to click on Settings at the left-hand side. And then you want to click on Channel. And then you need to click on Advanced Settings. And then over here. This is very important, so please pay very close attention to what I am about to say to you. So over here under the audience section, it says, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? And you have 3 options to choose from. If you select this first option, you can't enable comments on your video. This is because if your videos are made for kids and they are kids content, you basically can't enable comments on those videos. You should select this option if you are making content for kids, or if you choose otherwise, you could get yourself into a lot of trouble. So if you are making content for adults and people over 18, you can select no, and then click Save over here. And that will enable comments on your YouTube videos. So if this doesn't work, you can go back to Settings, and then click on Upload Defaults, and then click on Advanced Settings, and then scroll down a bit. So, you can select the comment visibility for all of your future uploads in the comments settings. Just select Hold Potentially Inappropriate Comments for review. This will hopefully turn on your comments on your videos, and the inappropriate and spam comments will be filtered out by the YouTube system. And then click Save. Then you will want to do the same for the videos that you have already uploaded to your channel. So click on Content, and it will show you all of the videos that are on your channel. So click on this and that will select all of your videos. Then click on Edit over here, and then select Comments from this list of options. Click on Hold Potentially Inappropriate Comments for review. And then click on Update Videos. Click on I understand. That's it for the desktop side of things, so let's move on to the mobile version. So you need the YouTube Studio app to do this. Just go to the Google Play Store and search for YouTube Studio. You can simply install that on your device and then, once you've done that, open up the app. And then tap on the content option over here. You want to select the video that you want to turn on the comments for, and then tap on this pencil icon at the top. And then tap on the More options at the bottom over here. Then make sure you change this from Disable Comments to Hold Potentially Inappropriate Comments for review. That wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. If not, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more content like this one. Thanks so much for watching and have a good day.